Walk here to the blue pools, follow the beautiful Cruiser River on the outlet.
For our second day, we stayed next to Lake Te Anau. Later that day, we were to head to Milford Sound, which is one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. I was so excited to be heading back. Just a couple of days ago, I was on a tropical island, and now, here I am, next to a lake, amidst the mountains. It's good to be back.
There you go. Morning coffee at Lake Te Anau. Day 2.
Which way do we go? Oh, it doesn't matter. Here's a puddle.
This place is the Mirror Pools, and it's pretty incredible. It's amazing. Stop if you're going past.
Look at that.
Wow, that's beautiful.
The drive to Milford is awesome. I love it. It's so great being between the mountains.
to go through the Homer Tunnel. Turn lights on. Here to go. Lights are green.
We're about to go through the Homer Tunnel. This tunnel is 1.2 kilometers long. It was 1989 when Homer suggested that a tunnel be built through the saddle to provide access to the Milford area. It's the only road to Milford Sound. Building of this tunnel started in 1935. Work started with just 5 men using picks and wheelbarrows. Amazing. The gateway to the Milford.
Cold midgets.
The last boat of the day is about to leave. We're a little bit worried that we're going to miss it. But we're just in time. On day 4, we get to go on the sister boat of this vessel through Doubtful Sound. Definitely watch out for that one. But now, this is the Milford.
There's a bit of breeze up there on the fjord.
Majestic.
We're going to head out to the sunshine.
Milford. It is so amazing to be able to see the mountaintops and the snow and how that trickles down and feeds down into the waterfalls that lead straight into the sea. One day we hope to return and do the Milford Track, one of the great walks in New Zealand. Uno, tres. De hecho, esto es el segundo día número 2 de nuestro viaje, nuestra aventura entre las montañas, y aquí estamos, en Milford, dentro de la Isla Sur, en este país, lo que es Nueva Zelanda. Not far from the Homer Tunnel is the Chasm, which is this river that flows through the Claudel River.
I just got a green light.
So this is where we're going to camp for tonight. It's a dock site called Deer Flat.
Campsite for day 2.
Beautiful place.
Milford.
Next to a river,
The van.
between the mountains.
There's the
Just
river.
gorgeous.
Well, this is the view from inside the camper.
Cooking up a little snack. And after dinner, I'm not wanting to miss the opportunity to try and capture the stars doing some astrophotography. But here's some photos from today. This place is amazing. Come here, bring a camera, just love it. Here's some of the pictures from that night, experimenting with some light painting and capturing the stars near the Milford Sound. Well, tomorrow we're going to explore the Milford Sound a little bit more, so stay tuned for day 3.